Are you looking to automate lead assignment to your team members? Well, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and get your team working efficiently without manual effort. Stick around, because I'll also give you an exclusive free trial for the software we're using, only available to viewers of this channel. First things first, automating lead assignment saves your team time, reduces errors, and ensures that no lead slips through the cracks. The good news is you don't have to be a tech expert to set this up. Let me walk you through the process step by step. To automate lead assignment, the first thing you need is a reliable CRM that supports automation. We'll be using a software that's been proven to streamline this process. I'll show you exactly how to set it up so you can start seeing results today. After you've set up your account, go to the automation section. You'll typically find this under Workflows or Lead Management Settings. This is where the magic happens. Start by creating a new workflow and choose the trigger that activates the automation. This could be when a new lead is added or when certain conditions are met, like a lead reaching a specific stage in the funnel. Next, you'll set up your lead distribution rules. This can be done in a few different ways, depending on your team structure. For example, you can assign leads randomly, round-robin style, or even based on specific criteria such as location or expertise. The idea is to set a rule that works for your team's workflow. Once you've defined the rules, assign the leads to specific team members. This is where you can fine-tune things to make sure the right person gets the right lead. You can also set up notifications so your team knows exactly when they've been assigned a new lead, ensuring a quick response time. Now, here's where it gets even better. Our software allows you to set up automatic follow-up reminders for each assigned lead, so your team doesn't have to worry about forgetting to reach out. They'll get a prompt when it's time to follow up. This keeps your pipeline active and reduces missed opportunities. All of this happens seamlessly in the background, and as soon as you've set it up, your team can start working smarter, not harder. You won't have to worry about manually assigning leads ever again. It's an absolute game changer for managing leads at scale. Now, if you want to follow along with me and try out this exact software, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available for my viewers, and it'll help you automate lead assignment like a pro. Key takeaway: automating lead assignment is all about setting up the right workflow, defining your distribution rules, and letting your software handle the rest. This saves you time, improves lead management, and makes your team more productive. To recap, here's what we covered. 1. Set up your automation workflow. 2. Define lead distribution rules based on your team's needs. 3. Set up follow-up reminders to ensure no lead is left behind. 4. Let your software do the heavy lifting so your team can focus on closing deals. And remember, don't forget to take advantage of the free trial in the description below to see how this software can work for you. Thanks for watching.